Do you know that since summer 23 release, the live agent chat is in maintenance only mode, right? Now I will introduce you the newest feature, the messaging for in-app and web, aka MIAW. Think of it as the new kid in town. But as usual, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge. You know that it will help me to continue delivering quality materials to our community. Probably, do you know what are we talking about? I mean, the Service Cloud message and the utilization in the real world, and how it covers the chat communications, how the omnichannel do the routing, how the bots are capable to interact and resolve many things. But if you don't know, there is no problem at all. You can read the Salesforce documentation and follow us in our repository to see the alignment between the theory and the practicing. This documentation have a bunch of guidances to help you. And today we will just talk about the messaging for in-app and web, aka MIAW, and let the Einstein bot for the next video. And don't worry, I will let the repository link available here in the description, and you can dive into it. In the README file, you have the links to the documentation and to the available materials in our channel. So let's get down to business, creating the Scratch org. In my point of view, do things on Scratch org is pretty safe and avoid to break things in other environments. With the Scratch org created, with the simple configuration, let's deploy the features we have available in the repository, because the idea here is just facilitate your life. Now it is time to launch the Scratch org. Let's open up. We will do the manual steps following this step-by-step guide. Let's activate the messaging setting created. You need to read and accept the terms here to activate it. To simulate an interaction between a user and an agent, let's add the omnichannel in the utility items in the Service Console app. We need to have a user in our queue to work, so let's add him in the MIAW queue. The presence status needs to be configured on the profiles to be available to the user. Otherwise, the users will not be available to receive any works. With MIAW, you need to configure this messaging session record page, since the normal one don't have the enhanced conversation component, where the agents see the conversations. For sake of time, I will let as the default one in the org. You will need to grant user access in the messaging for in-app and web user permission set. I did that by the company page. Through the embedded service deployments, we let our messaging channel configuration available to different utilizations, like digital experience, external sites, mobile apps, and so on. Here, we will use a Salesforce page to show the feature working, and you just need to adjust this configuration to your environment. Now, we just need to update the Salesforce page with the copied code snippet. Since this deployment was based in a previous Scratch org, you need to update all CSP, the trusted URLs configuration, to reflect your brand new organization environment. That could be a little bit bothering, but it save you a lot of time. The existing flow that do the routing needs to be edited to update the service channel ID of that environment, because this ID is kept in the flow metadata behind the scenes. And the last step on this configuration would be create a service resource related with your user. Now it's time to see how the things works together, accessing the Service Console and the Omnichannel Supervisor. We need to be online to receive the work item. Let's do the chat visualization through the configured Salesforce page. In this example, you can chat yourself, but that setup is the preparation to let agents chat with customers. We covered a lot of things in this video, but that is just the start point. Coming soon, we'll talk about the Einstein bots. Stay tuned. By the way, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this knowledge, and comment what you have liked or not in this video. I read all comments. And as usual, love you all, see you later, and bye bye.